In the center of the illustration, a tranquil yoga studio or therapy room is depicted. The space is softly lit with calming colors and includes comfortable yoga mats and cushions. In the foreground, a person is engaged in a therapeutic yoga session, seated in a meditative pose, like the seated forward bend or child's pose, demonstrating relaxation and introspection. Their expression is serene and focused, reflecting the peace that therapeutic yoga can bring. To the left, another individual is shown practicing a restorative pose, such as legs up the wall or supported bridge pose, with yoga props like bolsters and blankets enhancing comfort and support. This setup highlights the restorative aspects of yoga aimed at alleviating symptoms of anxiety, depression, and PTSD. In the background, a therapist or yoga instructor is guiding a small group through gentle breathing exercises and mindful movements. The instructor is offering personalized adjustments and support, emphasizing the therapeutic nature of the practice. The environment includes soothing elements like soft music, plants, and calming artwork, contributing to a supportive atmosphere. Yoga for mental health. Healing through therapeutic yoga for anxiety, depression, and PTSD. Benefits of therapeutic yoga for mental health. Reduced anxiety. Yoga practices, including deep breathing and relaxation techniques, help lower anxiety levels and promote a sense of calm. Improved mood. Regular practice can alleviate symptoms of depression by enhancing mood and fostering a positive outlook. Trauma recovery. Yoga supports recovery from PTSD by helping individuals reconnect with their bodies and manage trauma-related symptoms. Enhanced mindfulness. Mindful movement and meditation in yoga increase self-awareness and emotional regulation. Stress relief. Therapeutic yoga helps manage stress and improves overall emotional resilience, contributing to better mental health. Tips for practicing therapeutic yoga for mental health. Find a qualified instructor. Work with a therapist or yoga instructor trained in therapeutic yoga for mental health conditions. Focus on breath work. Incorporate deep breathing exercises to calm the nervous system and reduce stress. Use restorative props. Utilize props such as bolsters, blankets, and blocks to support the body and enhance relaxation. Create a safe space. Practice in a comfortable, quiet environment where you feel safe and supported. Be patient with yourself. Allow yourself time to progress and adapt the practice to meet your individual needs and pace. Therapeutic yoga offers a compassionate and effective approach to managing mental health challenges. By integrating gentle practices and creating a supportive environment, individuals can find relief from anxiety, depression, and PTSD, fostering a path to emotional well-being and resilience. Make sure to share these valuable resources with your friends and in your WhatsApp groups. Encourage them to subscribe to our channel so they can benefit from Radhika's insightful yoga tips and mindfulness practices. Subscribe now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more. @Yoga Girl for Health.